Good day, my love. Let us heal our heart, removing sadness and pain, so that we once again can be free and happy. So sit or lie down, and then gently close your eyes. Now adjust your breathing, breathing in deeply and filling your belly and chest with fresh healing air. Then release the air as you breathe out. So invite new energy into your body as you breathe in, and release toxic energy as you breathe out. Now focus on your heart, the center of love and compassion, and the location for your deepest emotions. It is time to let go of those negative emotions polluting your heart, setting your heart free and allowing your heart to be open and filled with love. So breathe into your heart, filling your heart with powerful healing energy of pure love. And then release pain and hurt as you breathe out. Decide to let go, letting go of toxic emotions and letting go of sadness. So breathe in the light and breathe out the darkness. Restore the balance in your heart as you bring in peace and healing with each breath you take. You deserve to be happy, and you deserve to be free, free of the emotional prison you have been living in, and free of the chains of sadness. So remove those chains as you breathe in powerful light of healing energy. Feel yourself remove negativity from your heart as you breathe out, and notice how light and free you feel, no longer pulled down by those heavy emotions of depression, and no longer closed to the world around you. Your heart is open once again, open to give love, and open to receive love. So let your heart guide you through life. Let your heart be a compass, and let your heart be pure. So keep breathing in the light, and let each breath recreate inner harmony inside of you. restoring the peace and restoring the self-love. So breathe in pure energy and cleanse your heart with this powerful divine light of love. Now when you're ready, take another deep breath and then slowly and gently open your beautiful eyes. Take a moment to simply observe your heart. Notice how free and light you feel, free from the heavy emotions that has been contaminating your heart, as balance has been recreated inside of you. Now, for an even stronger healing experience, try this powerful self-love meditation, which will most likely make you cry with tears of love. Namaste.